Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Let's meet with the new number. 5 flowers in the vase, 5 oranges in a tray, 5 blocks on a table. Counting so good. Look at the picture. Count the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 blocks. Count the oranges 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 oranges in the tray. Let's count the beads on the bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 flowers, 5 blocks, 5 oranges. Now think and tell, how many oranges does a girl have in a tray? How many fingers do you have in one hand? Thank you. See you in the next lesson.